Okay na ako, Nay.
Paano lang sa sugal? Puro pausin.
Nay,
Ano naman yun?
may bero na ako kami sa school. Nakatungo kami ng tira.
Puro ka bayarin. Doon sa tatay mo nga.
Kahit baka magkakaroon ko ng pera doon, pambayad ng mga dito.
Tigilan mo nga ako. Wala na nga tayong pera. Hingi ka pa ng hingi. Tumigil ka na lang sa pag-aaral mo.
Ito ah, pati pa na naman ako dito.
As across the globe, the Philippines' drug problem is deeply intertwined with a wide range of factors: poverty, inequalities, poor access to healthcare, and systemic problems in governance. A key program implemented to strengthen the family as the first line of defense against drugs abuse is the systematic training for effective parenting, where parents are taught ways to improve their relations with their children and detect and refer drug dependence for appropriate care.